In addition to those basic features, the SRM8200 also has ASL. Now, what is ASL? So we covered FHSS. It's an extremely powerful technology. On top of FHSS, it's got a feature known as adaptive spectrum learning. So for starters, it's a feature that's new to Data-Linc, which allows for faster and more reliable wireless communication than any previous Data-Link modem model. ASL is a mechanism by which underutilized channels are detected and used. Essentially, ASL acquires awareness about the spectrum usage and evolves over time with environmental conditions. And this lets multiple networks coexist reliably in a geographical region, even when the environment changes. So why is there a need for ASL? Well, I'll answer the question with another. Do you believe that the demand for wireless devices is increasing or decreasing? I think the very obvious answer is that it's increasing, right? There's a very rapidly growing demand for wireless devices, which is going to require devices that can automatically adapt to their environments, right? Making ASL technology very valuable for applications that are Industry 4.0. Some of the benefits of ASL, as we covered, better spectrum access and utilization, but also the ability to adjust emission to reduce or maintain levels of interference to nearby systems. It's great for high data rate transmission while maintaining quality of service in a changing environment. There are other additional features to the SRM8200. For example, it's practically a computer. It's an edge computer with a processor and memory. And I say this because the SRM8200 can actually run Linux applications on the actual modem, making it great as an edge device. So, for example, if you ran an application on the SRM8200, right, a Linux application on the SRM8200, within your industrial wireless network that reported anomalies within that network and within your installation, but it only did so by exception, then you would reduce the amount of traffic that's being transmitted, as edge devices do, all while keeping your installation monitored, safe, and secure. The SRM8200 also supports IP filtering and SNMP, so it can be easily managed. It provides a very accessible network map, which allows a user to see the health of a network from any node. And additionally, the network can be configured from any node in the network. And for those of you that are watching this, that are familiar with the way things were done before with radio, you'd have to drive to the actual node to check a communication error, right? So if your modems were, like in this case, 40 miles apart, that's a lot of driving just to check a radio. In this case, you can check the health of your network from a central location. Also, a support bundle for troubleshooting is available, giving you real-time diagnostics that can be shared for troubleshooting purposes. So that's very handy.